Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying something new. I am going to be talking about beauty, and today's topic are sheet masks. You probably most likely have tried one out, and if you haven't, definitely should, because they are a game changer. Quick to use, no mess. I do give a tip though for if you're using a face mask from a jar or a squeeze tube and stuff, to get yourself a face like a brush, or Body Shop has a really good one just for face masks. You use less product, you waste less, and like no mess, nothing on your hands and stuff. So tip number one. But back to face masks and sheet masks to be particular. I'm going to share some of my favorites as of late. I love to use these a couple times a week. I try to use them at least 2 to 3 times a week, so you get the optimal results of using sheet masks. And they're really great. They're great for travel. I always pack at least a couple in my bag. Really great for just when you're off the plane. I know people are using them on the plane. You can use eye masks and stuff as well. Really great to just give your skin a little refresh, and just to get those ingredients in to your skin a little bit better, and you can pad out the excess and stuff. So they're really great, and there's so many out there now. Like every brand probably at least has one. You can pick them up at drugstores. Garnier and Neutrogena and I think Aveeno and stuff, they all have a sheet mask, and they're really great and cheap and perfect for on the go and everyone's budget. Korean brands, you know, Korean skincare, I think they're the ones that came out with the sheet mask originally. Don't quote me on that, but really easy to use. Again, there's like so many. You can order them online, Amazon. I'll link a few below on my Amazon store, and you can pick them up. Specialty brands have them. Estee Lauder has one. Lancome has one. So you really cannot have an excuse of not being able to find them. But I love using them. I'm a face mask girl and a sheet mask girl. I've been a sheet mask girl for years. Probably when I first found one in my local Asian market, and just been going home with them since. They're great. You can even find them at Urban Outfitters now, which by the way has a really great beauty and wellness section. So if you haven't stopped by your local Urban Outfitters lately, not an ad, just my thoughts on how great they have a really great section. Definitely gonna check them out. Your drugstore has, I feel like the drugstores have really stepped up their game. If you're in Canada and you have shoppers near you, same with like London drugs and stuff, like I cannot not leave a drugstore without buying something at least. So I'm always picking up something exciting and new to try. And Sephora has sheet masks. You can buy them anywhere. As again, the world is your oyster when it comes to buying sheet masks. They're available almost everywhere now. So let's dive into my favorites as of late. So I'm really loving this Cocoa Star Tomato Slice Mask. This one is supposed to boost radiance while providing moisture to your skin. There's 2 sheets. There's 2 masks in this little packet, and this was, I believe, $5.99 I picked it up for. Fantastic price for 2 masks. Sometimes you could get maybe just one, and it's even more than that. And this, you can see, has little slices of tomatoes. It's really cute. Oh, for a sheet mask, you wash your face first, you cleanse it, and then you dry it, and then you put a mask on, just in case I haven't gone through how to use a sheet mask. Yeah, you might want to make sure that your face is cleansed, just like when you're using any other face mask, and then you apply the sheet mask. And you just let it, generally it's 15 to 20 minutes you're leaving it on for, and then you just take it off, and then you dab in the excess serum, and done. You can continue on with the rest of your skincare. If you want to put a moisturizer or another serum and your eye cream and stuff, definitely do that after the mask. It's awesome. So love this one. They also have a lemon one. I think there's a cucumber version. They all do different things for your skin. So I love this brand. It's really great, and 2 masks for the price of 1. Awesome. All right, everyone probably in the world who has been trying sheet masks or into Korean skincare, you know Tony Moly. They have the cutest stuff. So I love the whole range, but I just picking out a couple of my faves to show you guys. So one is the brightening one, and it's a lemon mask, and it's for brightening your skin. So if your skin's feeling really dull, you know, after a long flight or just a long week or a long day, and you want to give it a little bit more oomph, this is your mask. I'm also really loving their pore care mask. It tightens uneven skin texture within large pores. And this one you leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then you remove. So these are a couple of my faves from them. They also have the cutest stuff. They have like cute little hand lotions and cleansers and like little bath bomb stuff. So just go into the world of Tony Moly and you'll find them. You can find them mostly anywhere now. As I said, like Urban Outfitters even has them. Online. Where else? Amazon. You can find, I'll share the link. It's in my Amazon store. You can buy a pack of these. I think it's like 15 or 20. And it's $10 or something like that. So like, you better be putting that in your cart like today, because that's an awesome deal. Not sponsored, just letting you know, like that's where I usually get them on Amazon, just because I get a big bundle and it lasts me like a month. So awesome. I also really love this other Korean skincare brand, For Beloved Girl. Their sheet masks are the bomb. They're so awesome. This one is their Extreme Moisture Mineral Cloud Mask, and it feels amazing on your skin, and it fits really nicely for like all shapes. I feel like my really round face fits me perfectly, and this one is for dry or dehydrated skin. So it has like a triple hydration factor, and there's like a lot of science stuff like sodium hyaluronate molecule. Yeah, I need to probably find out how to pronounce that better before I get on the video, but that's okay. So anyways, you can see like it gives you a little diagram of all the stuff that they list here and what it's supposed to do for your skin. And you can buy this in the box, and I think there's 6 masks in there. It's a 3 mask, and it's like 20 bucks or something. Anyways, they're really good. You could use them, supposed to use them 2 to 3 times a week, but these ones I kind of like hold on to for the special days of using them, just because they're a little more on the pricier side, but they are fantastic. So I would totally try one of these out. There's also different varieties they have, and again, they also have different kind of skincare as well you should check out. Now, when Curtis and I were in New York last fall, I discovered the brand of Innisfree. We spent a good 45 minutes in that store, and Curtis was a trooper and just followed me around. He actually was pretty into checking out all the creams and the body stuff, because they had the most beautiful displays, like out of this world, like a living wall. I don't know. Really, really, really pretty store. So we went in there and I bought like 10 sheet masks and some other skincare. I think there was a cleanser and stuff involved as well. And so repurchased since, because now you can order them to Canada. Yay! And they are again another Korean skincare, but they don't think they have any stores in Canada, so I only just discovered them when we were in New York, and now I discovered that they ship to Canada. Maybe they're in Toronto, I'm not sure. But anyways, so this one it's a real squeeze mask, and it's strawberry, and it's a sheet mask, and it's supposed to give you like moisture from freshly squeezed strawberries, so you get skin's all nice and smooth and bright, and it smells like strawberries. I love this one. It's pretty awesome, and it does what it says it does, so can't beat that. They also have another line, and it's their skin solution mask, and it's BHA, so skin refining. They also have an AHA, and they have there's a whole slew of different ones. And this one is a delicate cotton mask, so it's a little different than usual, and it's enriched with BHA to provide exfoliation. So you've probably heard of AHAs and BHAs and how they're like a liquid chemical exfoliant, and they're much more gentler to use on your skin than say a traditional exfoliant, which has like little beads and scrubs and stuff. So if you're looking to up your BHA game, yeah, pick up a sheet mask like this just to use. I would try it out once a week and just let your skin build up to that. And you really will notice results if you use a BHA, AHA, or a combo of them each week, because it really does take away even like residual marks from acne and stuff. Like these guys are gonna be up next. But yeah, Innisfree, yeah, check them out. They're great. The prices are great. All right, we are back to Tony Moly because they also have a different line of sheet mask, and I could not leave these out. So it is their Pureness 100 line. So these are made with cotton sheet masks. Again, cotton sheet masks, there's a difference. And these ones are just a little bit more delicate and fine. So I kind of feel like they keep the ingredients on your face. They soak them in a little because it's a delicate sheet. So it's not like, there's a sheet masks that are like plastic. There's sheet masks that are the other material that's not cotton. This caviar mask, yes, caviar, very luxe. It's actually only like $3 a mask, so it's actually pretty inexpensive. And it provides a rich nourishment to skin, and it's made by non-bleached fabric, which contains the cotton seeds, so hence cotton sheet mask. So they claim it's pretty pure, that's why they call it the pure. And then again, this is like a 20 to 30 minute mask. I love it. I feel like my skin looks so moisturized and much more alive after using this mask. So it's pretty great for like midweek or like a Sunday night and you just want to start off your week like having nice, like moistured skin. That's not the Sahara. And then this one is their hyaluronic mask. Also amazing for your skin. If you haven't tried hyaluronic acid or anything in your skincare routine, you definitely should look into it. And this again like recharges your skin with moisture. So these are really, really great. These are also really great for traveling after a long travel day and you want to up your skincare and replenish it after being in the plane or a car all day. Like gross, you feel gross and your skin feels dry. So definitely check out like a mask like this. Moving on. So Patchology. I love this brand. They also have a really great face oil, but this is just for like a little boost. So this is like a firm, it's a 5-minute flash mask and it's for your face and neck. Bonus. There's also, yeah, I also mentioned there are neck masks. There's also masks for your chest area. Oh, and you can get ones for your hand. I did it for my wedding just to give them like a nice moistured look for my wedding day. And there's also the feet mask that peels off your dead skin. Really great. You should look into it. I just did one and my feet look like they're baby feet. So I will link that below, actually, the one I used. I think I can find it online. I brought it at my local drugstore. I'm pretty sure it's a brand you can find, or at least another version. Definitely look into those because if you really want to get all your dead skin off before summer, that's your go-to. Like literally your skin peels off. It's like pretty gross, but so this one has peptides and soy protein, and it's a faster mask. So usually with masks are like 15-20 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. This is 5 minutes, so it's really great for on the go. You can add it to your morning routine if you wanted, because it's only 5 minutes. So maybe when you're drinking your coffee, you have a mask on, peel it off, that's it. So this one is supposed to combat your fine lines and wrinkles and just gives you a more youthful, lifted appearance in just like 5 minutes, and it really does work. I really love to use this one just like, again, midweek or before an event, before like a big important day. This is a little good one. Also really great for travel too as well. So and you don't need to rinse it or anything. All the serum was the firming soy protein antioxidant Aronia arbitifolia that's in this product works together to improve the appearance of dullness. So again, Patchology mask, definitely try this one. And moving on, so I first found these at Urban Outfitters. I'm not sure I think you can buy them online at other places. Such fun packaging. It is metallic and it's a metallic foil sheet mask. So This one literally just only contains soybean extract, mushroom extract, and witch hazel water. So you can imagine your skin's gonna look amazing after those go through it. And this is, again, like a 10 to 20 minute mask. It's just fun to use. This is metallic. This is like $5 a package, but I think you can find them online for like a pack of 3 for 10 or something like that. So a little bit of discount if you buy them in bulk. But you can find, there's rose gold, there's silver. Was there a copper one? I can't remember. But anyway, so you can find them at Urban Outfitters. I really found them fun, and just also just for a gift too, put them in like a little bag or something. This is nice to open. So anyways, this one is another one of my faves I've been using lately. And lastly, not really a sheet mask, but kind of in the category. This is the Acne Pimple Master Patch by Cosrx, another Korean brand. And this is just 4 little patches for if you have a giant zit. And it just acts as a protective barrier, and it doesn't dry, and this absorbs all like the impurities and the oil and stuff that surrounds like a big zit. So I use these for when I get like a really bad breakout, hence right now. And I just put them on overnight, and it just sucks all up and just kind of accelerates the healing time from that zit. It's a hydrocolloid dressing. So it's supposed to naturally, like, intensely extract impurities. And you can even wear it during the day because actually you can't even notice that it's on. Because you have one on and I bet you can't even notice it. And it's really great, yeah, because you can wear it during the day, you can wear it at night when you go to bed, you get all those hours and it sucks all in, and then you just take it off and yeah, you rinse it, and it's great. So find these. I found this one online, but you can find it, I think, in specialty stores. You can definitely find them online, so I definitely would check that out. I'm really enjoying diving into this realm of videos on my channel. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you want on the next one. I'm thinking of doing a little tutorial on derma rolling at home. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite sheet mask is, or your favorite brand. I would love to know. I'm always looking for new ones to try out as well. So if there's one I haven't mentioned here and you feel like I should go and get it, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Really much appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys next time.